Attention all fall guys and gals. Slip on those Ugg boots and find your flannels because today we're going to teach you how to make different fall cold foams.
Before gathering your ingredients, light your favorite fall candle to set the cozy fall scene in your kitchen. The main ingredients and equipment you're going to need are heavy cream, a milk of your choice, a short glass, a milk frother, and measuring spoons or anything that can measure a tablespoon.
Let's use the base and make a brown sugar cold foam. For the base, we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, then follow with 2 tablespoons of a milk of your choice. For this demonstration, we are going to be using oat milk. After preparing our base, add a tablespoon of brown sugar syrup. You could add more if you like your drinks more sweet.
When you add all of your ingredients into your glass, you're going to want to froth up your mixture until it has a thick and frothy texture. When adding cold foam to a drink, make sure to add it on ice for the full effect. Just pour it over your drink slowly, and you're done.
This cold foam will not only be an extra add-on, but will also work as coffee creamer. We are just adding it on a very basic iced oat milk latte.
Let's go back to the base again and also whip up a salted caramel cold foam. After putting the base together, you're going to go straight into adding a tablespoon of salted caramel syrup. You can always add more to taste, but it does get sweet. Almost as sweet as Joe's smile. Just froth it all together and pour over a pre-made cold brew. Now you get to enjoy a salted caramel cold brew. Are we done yet?
Nah, we got one more. Get ready for the king of fall beverage toppings, the pumpkin spice cold foam. You are going to need pumpkin pie spice, pumpkin puree, and vanilla syrup, as well as the ingredients and equipment for the base that we have already used. After crafting your base one more time, you're going to take a tablespoon of pumpkin puree and add that into your glass. Then continue with a tablespoon of vanilla syrup to sweeten that up. To finish off, add a dash of pumpkin pie spice. Froth it all together to finish off the foam. After frothing, we're going to pour that foam over a pre-made chai that's totally not from Trader Joe's.
You now know how to make 3 different types of fall cold foams to take advantage of the warm weather while you still can.
Or not, if you live in Chicago.